Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device model and firmware so you know constraints and supported bands. Once done, restart both the handset and the modem to clear transient errors and test signal strength in the current spot to create a baseline. You should toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then re-enable cellular and Wi-Fi so the device re-registers with the network. Make sure to note carrier and plan quirks because those influence later fixes and what the network will accept. Now you perform deeper diagnostics to isolate the root cause. Use the phone or modem diagnostics to read RSRP, RSRQ, SINR, or RSSI in dBm so you can quantify signal quality. These numbers tell you whether it's coverage, noise, or loading. Once measured, swap the SIM into a known good phone and try a different SIM in this device to separate hardware from provisioning problems. Also check for interference sources, new routers, appliances, or structural changes, and move to a different room to compare results. Finish by applying the targeted fixes you identified. Update firmware, reset network settings if persistent configs are corrupt, and reprovision or replace the SIM when provisioning issues appear. If coverage is weak but everything else checks out, enable Wi-Fi calling, install a femtosel, or use an external antenna and reposition the router or device to a higher, clearer spot. If problems persist, collect diagnostic logs, signal values, times, and locations. Then escalate to the carrier with that evidence so they can trace radio side faults.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.